You can navigate the map in several ways. With your mouse, click and hold down the mouse button, then move your mouse to pan the map. If you have a mouse wheel, you can roll upward to zoom in or downward to zoom out. If you do not have a mouse wheel, there are zoom in, zoom out, and zoom to full extent buttons located to the left of the search bar. To zoom in with a drawing box, hold down the Shift button and drag the mouse to create a box. Holding down the Control and Shift buttons together creates a zoom out box. On a touchscreen device, you can use your fingers to pinch for zooming out and unpinch to zoom in. To rotate the map, press and hold your secondary mouse button or right mouse button while moving your mouse in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. If you have a touchscreen device, you can rotate the screen with your fingers by putting one finger on the screen, then placing a second finger anywhere on the screen and move your second finger in a clockwise or counterclockwise movement. To reset the map with north facing the top of the screen, click the north arrow icon in the bottom left portion of the screen. Please note that maps printed with any amount of rotation do not maintain the rotation of labels or annotations.